Honor and pleasure to invite Her Excellency Ms. Maria Emma Mejia Velez, Ambassador and Permanent Representative of Colombia, to deliver her remarks on behalf of the President of the 70th session of the General Assembly.
Thank you for the words of Mr. Secretary General, Excellencies, religious leaders, distinguished monks, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to deliver this statement on behalf of the President of UN General Assembly, His Excellency Morgan Zlikotov. It is a joy to be amongst you today in the making of the Vesak International Day celebrations. Please allow me to extend my appreciation to the permanent missions of Thailand and the permanent mission of Sri Lanka for co-hosting this auspicious day for Buddhism worldwide. Buddha taught us that nothing exists in isolation. All phenomena in the universe exist with the context of mutually supportive relationships. With this in mind, nothing exists without meaning. Nothing is wasted. Interviewing these threads of interdependence, the universe has brought forth and nurtured life, including human life on this planet. These words of wisdom transcend time and carry great relevance in our common endeavors today to achieve inclusive, equitable, and sustainable development. The United Nations, since its inception, has worked for the betterment of humanity through its effort to maintain international peace and security, uphold human rights, and foster sustainable development. But buttressing all its efforts is the promotion of understanding, of tolerance, of respect, and of dialogue between and among diverse cultures, civilizations, faiths, and people. In my way, these are now prerequisites for achieving many of the goals that the United Nations, and indeed we as human beings, aspire of today. At this most sacred day in Buddhism is commemorated by hundreds of millions globally. Vesak reflects on a faith that is characterized by tolerance, harmony, and assimilation. Therefore, today I call upon you to heed the wise words of Buddha, to open our minds and strengthen our endeavors to address major global challenges, from eradication of poverty to ending the proliferation of deadly weapons, from tackling intolerance and inequality to addressing the devastating consequences of climate change. On this Vesak Day, I invite people of all traditions to reflect on the actions that we can take to create a kinder, better world for future generations based on solidarity, inclusiveness, peace, and sustainability, a world that leaves no one behind. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now have the honor to invite Venerable Siri Ratana to lead the ceremony of observance of the Panchasila of the 5 precepts.
Buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Saṅghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dutiyampi buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami Panatipata veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Adinādāna veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Kāmesu miccācārā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Musāvādā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Surāmeraya majjapamā daddhāna veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Tisaranena saddhim pancaseelam dhammang sadukang surakkitang katva appramādena sampādetabbang.
We monks are going to bless you by the power of Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha, by the power of all the deities who protect this world. May all beings be well and happy. May all beings be free from jealousy. May all beings have courage, patience, understanding and determination to overcome failures in their lives. May all living beings attain ultimate bliss of Nibbana, ultimate peace. Having that aspiration, please listen to the Karaniya Metta Sutra.
Namo tassa bhagavatu arahatu samma sambuddhassa Namo tassa bhagavatu arahatu samma sambuddhassa Namo tassa bhagavatu arahatu samma sambuddhassa Karaniya matta kusalena yantang santang padang abhisamecca sakko ujoca sujoca suvacoca muduvanati mani santossa koca subharoca aprakiccoca sallavaka buddhi sankindriyoca nipakoca apagabbo kulesu ananugiddo naca kuddham samacare kinciyena viññu pare upavadeyum sukhino vakemino hontu sabbe satta bhavantu sukhitatta eke jipana rutatte tasavatavarāvāhane vasesādīgāvāye mahantāvā majjimārassa kānukatulādittāvāye vādittāye ca dure ti avidure bhūtāvā sambhave sīvā sabbe sattā bhavantu dukkhidattā naparoparannikobheta nāti maññeta kattacinaṁ kanci vyārosanāpatika saññānañña maññassa dukkhamicceya mātāyata niyam puttaṁ āyusāyeka putta manurakkhe vampi sabba सर्वभूतेषु मान सम्भावये अपरिमाणं मित्रं च सर्वलोकस्मिन् मान सम्भावये अपरिमाणं बुद्धं अदोचति विहं च असम्बाधं अवेरं असपत्तं तिष्ठं चरन्निसिन्नो वा शयानो वा यावतस्य विगतमिद्दो एतं सतिं अरित्यय ब्रह्ममेतं विहारं इदमाहुदिष्टिं च अनुपगम्य शीलवादर्शनेन सम्पन्नो कामेषु विनय्यगेदं नहि जातु गब्रशय्यां पुनरेति सब्बीतियो विवर्जन्तु सब्बरोगो विनाशतु माते भवत्वन्तरायो सुखी दीर्घायुको भवतु सब्बमङ्गलं रक्षन्तु सब्बुद्धानुभावेन सदा सोत्ति भवन्तु ते भवतु